Wait, am I filming now? Yes, I'm filming now. Put it on your sack.
Let me see. Yay.
Yay. Oh my god.
I need to fasten my sack.
You do that. Adventure time!
Wait. Will?
In about 5 minutes, folks, so you can see a little lump in the lower area of that stand. Nice, Les.
He's over there. He's all the way over there.
Where'd he go?
YouTube, babies. YouTube. Huh?
No such a thing as a dream ghost.
Thank you.
Hey, isn't that hot?
No.
It's like a little squid.
You trip him.
Oh! What was that?
Oh my god.
I feel awful for filming this. Stop running! I'm not a running producer.
Walking around in a sack.
Isn't he crazy?
Go away, you whore. What is wrong with you? I'm not a running producer. You stupid asses.
I'm good, thank you.
Well, I'm through.
I have 4 minutes almost of him being stupid. What are you doing exactly? I'm happy I got that.
Don't fuck with me. Now I'm a crack.
Who spilled Slurpee all over the place?
That was Slurpee? Oh, gross.
Dude, someone pick that up. Fuck. I am not cleaning. Ew. Ew.
You got something on this book? Right. Nice hair. Let me sit down in my sack.
Sit down in your sack?
No! Ah!
Damn, you scream like a girl. How you gonna scream like a girl?
Oh, he's planking.
It looks like a giant dildo right there.
I know.
Live long and prosper, friend. Alien friend. Back up? No.
I challenge you.
No.
I challenge you to a
No.
Oh, man.
Will, can I Velcro you all the way up? You're slipping out of there. That's okay. Fix it. My sack is opening. Let's fix it. I got this, bro. Twitch! How does this work?
You're stupid.
Don't break me.
Push him over.
I'm trying to
Push him off railing.
This isn't working. No. Oh, fucker.
Hey, let's get that put away. You got about 10 minutes.
I know, I'm gonna walk through the hallway with it.
No. Go put it away.
Give me a minute.
Take it off.
Ooh, mean teacher.
Don't touch me.
Yeah.
Don't touch me. Where the hell are you?
I know. You have some boner edge going on in your head.
Hello.
Alright, stop. Well, why don't you take it off and then they'll stop doing it?
It's kind of hard to get up. What the fuck is this? I will rape you.
I'm good without being raped.
Enough.
No.
He's my friend, it's okay.
Yeah.
Push him over.
Fuck you.
He doesn't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, he's kind of like just like, you know.
Will, don't! Will! Will! Oh my Jesus.
Hey, come on.
Come on.
Have you been filming this whole time?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is going on YouTube.